Ray, my friend, birthday na, golden boy, 50, 10 years na, senior ka na. But don't you worry, wala sa itsura ang dating mo at ang sex appeal. Habol pa rin ay magpaghabol sa'yo, pero good boy ka. Alam natin to, kaya you are blessed and you're the best. Happy birthday, Ray, love you. Alright, this is what we all put our hands together. Come on. Alright. Ray, my friend, birthday mo na, golden boy ka na, 50, 8 years na lamang, senior citizen na. But don't you worry, may asin pa ang sex appeal at dating mo. Agad pa rin, marami pa rin siksi habol sa'yo, pero you're my friend, a man for others, and that's why you are so blessed. You deserve the best of everything. Happy birthday to you. Alright. Thank you. Welcome back.